What's that? What you got? What is that? Are we gonna go for a run?
You gonna go for a walk?
Give it to Riley.
Good boy.
Oh, he wants a collar on too.
Oh. Collar.
Sit.
Okay. I'll take out this collar.
All right, sit.
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 Sit. Stay. Stay.
You have to calm yourself.
Calm yourself. Calm your tits.
Sit. Sit. Calm down. Sit. Sit. No. Hercules, sit down. Sit. He can't put it on you unless you hold still.
Sit.
Stay. Good boy. Stay. 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 I spoke too soon.
Come on.
Where's your leash? Where's your leash?
Where's your leash?
Get it. Give it to Riley. Come on.
Wanna give it to me?
Go.
Good boy.
Down. Sit.
Down. Sit. 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 Go.
Sound like you mean it.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. No, boy. Don't you want to go for a walk? Yeah.
Sit.
Sit. Good boy. There. Let's go.
Who's walking who? Come on. Oh, he's just showing you where the door is.